Hello, hi, namaskar. Let me welcome you to another video, and that's a part of photosynthesis in 11 NCERT biology book, and that is C3 cycle or Kelvin cycle, as it was discovered by Melvin and Kelvin, and this is called as Kelvin cycle. And here, the first stable product is a 3-carbon compound, so that's why it is called as C3 cycle. Now here you see the first compound, which is the carbon dioxide acceptor from the atmosphere, that is ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, and here this is a 5-carbon compound. You can write here also RUBP, that is also acceptable. Now these 5-carbon compound, when it is accepting one carbon dioxide, this process is called carboxylation. This addition of carbon dioxide to RUBP is called as carboxylation, and here 1C is there and here 5C. Now together that forms a 6C compound, but this 6C compound is unstable in nature. Now immediately it breaks into two compounds of 3-phosphoglycerate or 3-phosphoglycerol glyceric acid is formed. So here these two molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric acid I have written. After they are formed, they undergo reduction, and here you remember this 3-PGA or 3-phosphoglycerate or 3-phosphoglyceric acid is the first stable product in C3 cycle. This is the first stable product in C3 cycle, you remember. Now this 3-PGA undergo reduction and it forms triose phosphate. Now here during this process 2-ATP breaks down to form 2-ADP, and 2-NADPH breaks down to form 2-NADP plus. Now here, now this triose phosphate, it undergoes two processes. One is regeneration, another is formation of sucrose, and the stored form starch. Now you know that in sucrose form, this food is transported through the phloem and starch is stored for a longer period. Now when this triose phosphate, it undergoes regeneration, it forms again RUBP, and RUBP helps to continue the cycle of C3, and during this regeneration process 1-ATP is used, and that is forming ADP and inorganic phosphate when it breaks down. Now let us calculate the how many ATPs and how many NADPH are produced for the production of one glucose molecule. Now from C3 cycle you have seen in different steps for the fixation of one carbon dioxide molecule fixation, there is need of 2-ATP in the reduction step and 1-ATP in the regeneration step, that is 3 ATPs are needed. Clear? And whenever 6O2 will undergo fixation, how many ATPs will be needed? 3 ATPs into 6, 18 ATPs are needed. Now come to NADPH calculation. 1 CO2 fixation, in the reduction step 2 NADPH undergo, they are used. Now whenever 6 CO2 fixation occurs for one glucose molecule, 2 into 2 NADPH into 6, that is forming 12 NADPH, that means 12 NADPH are used. Now for the production of one glucose molecule in C3 cycle, so there is need of 12 NADPH and 18 ATPs together. Thank you very much.